Welcome back. My name's Brian Roschetzky. Thanks again for watching. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell notification and that'll notify you when my next video comes out. And if you're tuning in again, thank you so much for watching. Your support is greatly appreciated. And I want to thank all my Patreon supporters as well. Your support makes this channel grow tremendously and keeps me focused on dedication and keeps these videos coming. Thank you again. And after watching, if you think this video brings you value, think about supporting me as well on Patreon. There's a link down in the description. And don't forget, the best form of support is simply watching my videos and helping share my content. Thanks again for watching, and let's see what we have for today. Another cloudy day flying at GigaTexas. Looks like tomorrow we will finally get some sunshine. Might be a great day for filming. My kid has Taekwondo, so I'm not 100% sure I'll be able to get out tomorrow, but I'm going to try my best. And if I get a chance and get out there early, I think I might still be able to get one out tomorrow for you. But let's see what she looks like today. The construction crew was cranking away at record speeds that I have never seen before. I mean, the crews were running wild. Every corner of this factory was working. In Tesla news, Tesla now has an $800 billion market cap. Some say that this evaluation seems crazy, but when you see the speed and the size of Tesla factories like TeraTexas, it doesn't seem crazy at all. Tesla stock down today to $844.99. And we have one more day before the weekend, so we will have to wait and see what happens tomorrow morning. Elon Musk announces a $100 million donation for the best carbon capture technology. He didn't reveal more about how the prize is going to be given away, but he did say that more information is going to be released next week. And Musk has previously stated that Tesla's mission is to accelerate the advent of electric transport and renewable energy in order to address climate change. So thank you so much, Elon Musk, for everything you've done. I can't tell you how many different ways my life has been affected positively, simply for supporting and trusting Tesla. Happy I finally got them installing a horizontal beam here. Looks like that's a concrete beam, and you can see there's two workers maybe setting it in place. And there's that pirate flag again. Arr. Also, Volkswagen CEO teases Elon Musk on Twitter, saying he is here to make an impact with the Volkswagen Group, especially on political issues. And of course, to get some of your market shares at Elon Musk. And then we went on to talk about the ID3 and the e-tron and how they've taken larger market shares in Europe. And I wouldn't hold my breath too long on that because, they still don't have a charging network. And I don't want to go ahead and just use this time. No, I'm going to use this time to rant about the charging network because no other company has a charging network still. I don't know how many years it's been now, and no other company has a dedicated charging network, much less any useful charging network that spans even remotely close to the amount of chargers Tesla has nationwide. So, you can make as many cars as you want, Volkswagen. Doesn't matter. If you don't have the charging network, they're nothing. This here is why construction workers wear steel-toe boots. Another concrete pumper laying a foundation in the concrete structure housing the giant stamping machines. Ground crews are really preparing this section to ramp up construction. You can see how they lay out all the different materials based on the time frame in which they'll be completed. And they'll be working their way very quickly towards the backside as that steel structure grows. Looks like the concrete along the loading dock area is dried and looks great. I finally got to see crews installing a horizontal beam, and then my battery was dying, so I had to retreat and I missed the actual install. But you can see here they are installing that as a horizontal structural beam. And if you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. I want to thank everyone for your support. Thanks again. It really helps me continue this journey. And we'll see you next time with Roschetzky Photography at GigaTexas. I left these last clips in here for all you dedicated fans that wanted these super zooms. Oh, I love this. Here it looks like he's bolting. He's about to bolt it into place, and then he uses his walkie-talkie to call to the crane to tell him to lower it just a little bit. I didn't see exactly where these bolts are going. If anyone knows how these types of beams are being attached, please throw it in the comments. Let me know. That would be amazing. Also, I'm considering making some prints and some wall art of GigaTexas. So if you think you might be interested in buying some wall art, just let me know. Throw me a comment just so I can kind of get a gauge on how much I should dedicate to this. So again, yeah, just an idea. Thanks. Look who decided to roll up. My buddy old Jeff Roberts. Good timing there, buddy. Right as I was wrapping it up, he decides to take off in his drone. Always a good day flying with you at GigaTexas. Everyone, again, thanks a bunch, enjoy, and can't wait for my Cybertruck. Thanks, Elon.